Jellyfin vs Plex. Which media server is better? Choosing the right media server can completely transform how you access, organize, and enjoy your personal media collection across every device in your home. Jellyfin and Plex are two of the most popular media server options available, and they represent very different philosophies about how a media platform should work and who it should serve. Jellyfin is a fully free and open source platform with no subscriptions or locked features, while Plex is a polished commercial platform that offers a free tier alongside a premium subscription that unlocks its full capabilities. This comparison breaks down how each platform performs so you can choose the one that fits your setup. Jellyfin is a free open source media server that gives users complete control over their media without any subscription fees, usage limits, or data collection. It supports a wide range of media formats, offers robust transcoding capabilities, and provides apps across virtually every major platform including smart TVs, mobile devices, web browsers, and streaming sticks. Because it is entirely self-hosted and open source, Jellyfin never sends your data to external servers and does not require an internet connection to access your media on your local network. The trade-off is that Jellyfin requires more hands-on setup and occasional troubleshooting compared to more polished commercial alternatives, and its apps can vary in quality across different platforms. Jellyfin is best suited for privacy-conscious users, self-hosting enthusiasts, and anyone who wants a fully featured media server without paying for a subscription or sharing data with a third party. Plex is a commercial media server platform known for its polished interface, broad device support, and a suite of features that extend well beyond basic media serving. Its apps are consistently well designed across platforms, and its automatic media matching, metadata fetching, and library organization work reliably out of the box with minimal manual intervention. Plex's free tier covers local media access, but many of its most useful features, including mobile sync, offline downloads, and live TV integration, are locked behind the Plex Pass subscription. Plex also offers its own free streaming service with ad-supported movies and TV shows, adding value beyond just serving personal media. Plex is best suited for users who want the most polished and feature-complete media server experience and are comfortable paying for a subscription to access the platform's full capabilities. Feature comparison. Jellyfin and Plex are both capable media servers, but they serve users with different priorities. Jellyfin wins on cost, privacy, and open source transparency, making it the right choice for users who want full control without ongoing costs. Plex wins on polish, ease of setup, and the breadth of its platform ecosystem, making it the right choice for users who want the best out-of-the-box experience and do not mind paying for premium features. Final thoughts. If you value privacy, dislike subscription fees, and are comfortable with a slightly more hands-on setup experience, Jellyfin is a genuinely excellent media server that delivers everything most users need at no cost. If you want the most polished, reliable, and feature-rich media server experience with minimal setup friction and broad platform support, Plex delivers a premium experience that justifies its subscription for dedicated home media enthusiasts. The best choice comes down to whether you prioritize freedom and cost or polish and convenience.